I can edit that out. Welcome to Shift Trash Media. I'm Justin. That's Mike. That's Mike's 1952 LS swapped F1. We're going to the Pro Touring Truck Shootout. In this video, we're prepping, we're loading up, and we're heading to Beech Raceway in Bowling Green, Kentucky for the Pro Truck Touring Shootout. Alright folks, we're here, we made it, day one, getting ready. They're doing track walk right now. We're in the second group for the practice this morning, so we'll get some autocross practice, then we'll get the full race kicking off. Stick around. folks, Mike just done his first run of the second practice. I couldn't see the scoring board. He got a 49. So far he's run a 52, a 51, a 50, and now a 49. He's getting ready to go again.
Going for the glory, going for the gusto. Putting on a show for the crowd. Winding it out. On two wheels, the number 17 truck. That's being driven by Brandon Scheller. Out of the gate and ready to make something happen. Truck number 43, Jesse Greening. Jesse Greening.
Oh yeah. 12.9.104. All right. Alright, so we decided to call it quits Friday night. We loaded up. We came home Saturday morning. Didn't compete Saturday because we both had to work Saturday night. But man, what a fun time. Ended up, I think his best autocross run was a 48.5 or a 48.4. I don't remember exactly. And ran a 12.9 and 104. It's out of a junkyard LS1 with a cam and a 52 F1. Pretty impressive. We had a blast. Everybody there was super nice, super cool. So if you live out west, the one that's come that they do in Cali, or if you live on the eastern side, come check out the Pro Touring Truck Shootout sometime. Thanks for watching. Probably be another video of nothing but autocross action. Maybe even another one that's nothing but Mike's runs. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give us a little thumbs up and keep your eye out for more.